Police are coming in.
Bro,
It's important to speak out. Countering on the largely peaceful demonstration that is happening in Kathmandu. Police are coming in. They're also speaking out against police brutality. Hopefully that doesn't happen today, though I can see more and more police joining in. Whereas the people have, a huge amount of people have just actually joined together, sitting down on the ground, fairly strong, taking a stance. I think the people have enough. Really had enough. Really too much. Thank you.
Bro,
Yep, absolutely.
Excuse me, one second.
More space, guys, more space. And sit down, sit down. It's important to speak out. Most people are saying that they're more afraid of the government strategy than of COVID itself. And that is the big thing right now. It's important that we speak out and do not accept it. This is a critical juncture, I think, for Nepal, that we start taking action. It's impossible to continue like this.